Hi, Paige. Good morning. Good morning. The Queen's taking over the kitchen this morning. You guys, the Queen's taking over the kitchen, making breakfast for the kings and the kids.
So this no, I don't think they need this on the table.
No, that one is stay here. Because if I want tea, I have to eat first or I have to drink my tea first. Look who has arrived. No, not carry that away. Bring it back.
You don't want to put for the bananas?
Mama, look who is away.
Maybe because she can put this.
Right.
Mama,
yes, I saw.
Morning.
No man, me just want the paper.
She wants
Nobody
that.
not ask if you share a friend. Oh, good. We don't want you to share a friend.
Just nobody touch it. Nobody touch it. Nobody touch it.
You guys, how are y'all doing? We had an amazing sleep.
Hello, kids. Hello.
We've woken up. What else needs to go on the table? Everybody have their tea. Honey, you want tea?
Yeah.
What you want? You guys are multitasking. So, bear with me.
Me, so what you have?
Hey. Bring back the egg, please. What? Bring back the egg. Baby, talk faster before me sit down. You want hot chocolate? Tasha, make him a hot chocolate for me, please. It's the same technique as Ty. You warm his milk, then you put the hot chocolate in it.
Don't want my milk here? Don't want it? No?
I get extra work. Just trying to get through the breakfast for everybody. We make banana fritters, saltfish fritters, eggs, fruits, juice, and we just trying to get through. Boy, what's wrong with you?
You like sugar? You don't want the sugar?
Who?
Oh.
Drink this now, please.
It's not only me alone like sugar.
Miriam wants to show me this of his teeth that he took out yesterday.
by myself.
Are you fun?
Yes, he pull it out.
And he does take it out.
Very fun.
No holiday by the side and not pull it out.
Come drink this tea for me now, please. Put this back. Where is babe tea?
I put it away.
Is it in the
Yeah,
microwave?
because you don't take no sugar.
No.
And
Put this on the fritters.
tea, please. No. These two.
Oh, baby can't sit down yet. Can't sit down yet.
Who is that? That's you.
Come top. Serve it. Yeah, what's up for you? Yeah.
What up? Oh.
You get all of them, man. Then care before she starts race. I thought you were gonna use both.
No man, you were pretty good one.
What is it that's tea?
I put two cubes for you.
Not it. We can't drink. Well,
I put 2 cubes for you. You know what? Sugar. It's not you? Yeah. No, it's not you. But it's gonna be sweet.
What has she gone? Miss Sam. Wow, nice bags. Hi guys, you guys, I haven't even got to talk to you guys properly this morning because I was so busy in the kitchen trying to multitask to make breakfast for everybody. We're having such an amazing weekend with our friends. Right now we are on the road. Good morning, babe. They haven't seen you properly.
Good morning, guys.
I haven't seen the kids properly. Say hello, Ty. Sarah, say morning, Faith. Morning, Faith. You're giving them winks. You guys see what she's doing in the camera? She's something else. She's winking her eye like. Anyway, you guys, we watched movies this morning. We had breakfast. We had good chats, had good laughs, and right now it's all about the kids. We're taking the kids to Kid City, as Tyler said, to have fun. So the other car is behind us. You guys can't see them. Where they are? There they are, right here. They're behind us with Natasha, Tashika, the kids, and Andy in that car. And we're just going to let the kids dash out and burn some energy and have a good old time. So enjoy the rest of today's vlogs, y'all. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog, you guys. And if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with us. And I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs with all the friends and the fam bam. So we'll see you guys when we get to
Kid City.
with a tip of rum in it.
No, it's a tipo.
It is horrible. What flavor?
French coffee shop.
No one not there.
Horrible.
What about the money? What about the money?
The money. Expensive life.
Yeah.
absolute best life. Oh my gosh. You guys, I don't even think you guys can hear me, but we are at the play park and the kids are having the best time ever. I am super tired and I'm also hungry. I need to go and get something to eat. I can't even talk to you guys too much because I have to be shouting. I can't hear myself. There's so many kids here, but as long as they're having fun, the others are somewhere around there sitting down there resting. But yeah, look at them. Bunny hop, Sarah, stay. Sarah hop. Come here. We finished Kids City and ended up at KFC because everybody's hungry. But we all wanted something different. So we all scattered all over the place. But the family is at KFC. How was the sandwich, babe? That's good. Babe, sandwich is so good. I deliberately don't take it because I'm gonna buy 2 times. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. It's so good, but I know I can't eat it off, so I wouldn't even attempt to take it. Anyway, we're gonna enjoy eating. Can we catch you guys later? Put some in Sarah cup. You guys, we have been back off the road for a while now, been watching movies, and I cooked dinner for the fam bam before they left to go leave to go home. So we're gonna have dinner and then chill for the rest of the evenings. Everybody's here just chatting and ready for fun. Look at them. 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 Everybody's ready for food.
Gotta careful with the plates.
Smell burn.
Yeah, right there. Yeah. And he was
You burn the oven?
Alright, let's feast. We shall eat. It just wasn't tight enough.
And we have a candle, and you have a ball after.
And the dessert already, you know. Hey, me say some people are waiting for the dessert.
Please, Papa.
Watch dessert face. Watch dessert face, babe speciality. Alright.
Hi guys, it's the end not of the weekend, just the day we have one more day.
That day is gonna be a rest day.
That's when I feel the goodness of 4 days off.
Weekend.
Especially on the weekend when you start to do your thing on the Friday, you do Friday, you do Saturday, and you have the feeling to be accomplished.
Ooh,
and you have one more day. So
and we had a quite accomplished weekend with our friends.
anybody that doing things, advise you to do it on Friday. Don't start on the Saturday, don't wait on Saturday, and whatever you can do, do it on the Friday. If you can't, that's okay, but that's a very good thing.
Yeah, but if you can't, take baby advice. Anyway, you guys, we had an amazing weekend. We ate, we fellowshipped, we have fun, we play games, we watch TV, we did so many things. Right now I am tired and I'm going to bed. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Tashika and her family has returned home and Natasha is here. Natasha leaves tomorrow. So enjoy. If you did enjoy the vlog, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fan bell. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow night.